Hey, welcome to some of beersjackofbbq. Check out the ribeye steaks we cooked on the MasterKettle. Yeah, I'm Craig, man behind the cameras, Jack. Got two nice looking ribeyes. Only saw them about four or 5 hours ago, but we got the SNS Grill's MasterKettle set up. We're gonna do it indirectly, and we're also gonna show off the MeatStick V while we're doing this cook. So it's a new product for them that is coming out shortly, or it's going to be out when we show this video. But it's a pretty cool one. It actually takes up to almost 1200 degrees. So we're going to let it in the steaks while we bring it up the temperature, and then we're going to pull them off, set up the grill for some direct searing, and have the MeatStick V in there while we sear it. But can't wait to get it on the grill. I'm just going to try to hit the middle of this steak because it has the multiple probes on here. It'll give me the best core temperature that you'll see the whole time. All right, just going to let them hang out. Grill's running right at 250. I'm going to guess this is going to be about an hour. I might flip them when it's about 80, and we'll bring you back for that. All right, so just past 80 degrees, so like we always do, we like to kind of flip them around just to kind of promote that even cooking. But they look pretty nice. Boy, they feel very super tender too. All right, bring them back when we get ready to pull them off. All right, so we're gonna just check some temperatures here. I did cheat a little bit here. Jack and I were doing some other things. We were getting like in the 115 area there. Yeah, so Jack and I were doing some other things, so I actually opened the grill up so these stopped cooking. And you can actually tell it actually worked to our benefit because now the fire is ready to go for searing. So, cool thing with the MeatStick V, it can take the heat. Let's set these things over here. I'm going to spin the grill around. You know what? I'm going to get a better glove so I can do that. And we'll start searing. Go a minute aside. All right, we got 1 minute there. Got a nice sear happening there. Go another minute here. There's another minute. All right, last minute. I'm watching the steak on the MeatStick V. It was going to about 122 right now, so it's going to have some carryover, but we still should hit that medium rare. Might not go a full minute. That's got a nice looking char to it now. All right, that's the last minute. Let's get a... Didn't see a whole lot of sizzle there, but we're going to have a good medium rare on this steak. We'll see you on the cutting board. As always, cheers. Here we are into the cook. SNS MasterKettle. Thing is awesome. Ran about, yeah, so I had about 250. It creeped up to about 270 or so as this was cooking along. Flipped it when it got to about 82, 83. And then when it was about 115, pulled them off. Did rise to about 117. And Jack and I were doing some other stuff, so I left them sit on the grill with the lid open and got the flame real hot for searing. And you saw the nice searing that this thing does. And the MeatStick V just can handle that temperature, the flames going right over it. I was watching it. It didn't seem to rise too much. I'm sure over time, because of it takes a little bit of time to get that heat to show. It just really protects that probe, so it's really a nice product. But these steaks look really good. I didn't mention in the beginning, all I did was hit these with, I did say that. So I hit it with salt about 5 hours in advance, so, or kosher salt. So let's see how we did here. I was worried it rose a little bit because the searing was so nice, but no, we still got probably a dead on medium rare there. I love just that salt crust that you get on this, and because of the searing that you get with the flames, man, this was good. So hopefully I will see you. Subscribe to the channel, click the little bell notifications, and we'll see you next time.